my name is Shashank Indkuri and today I am going to record this video for Sprint3 of SE 456. I am going to run the application. As we can see, there is no much visual difference when compared to the Sprint 2. But here for this Sprint we have implemented the Sprite Batch Manager and Sprite Batches where we can draw the batches based on the specific sprites attached to that. So on the game code we can see I have created 4 different sprite batches and linked different specific sprites to each batch. By doing so we can even draw the sprite batches by simply calling the draw method in the Sprite Batch Manager. So when I run this application, as we can see, I have added aliens as a first node to the Sprite Batch Manager. So that will be the last drawing object. So the aliens we can see it is all other sprites are drawn below that aliens as we have added aliens at the first. So here one more other thing we can have implemented is adding the priorities to each sprite batch. So as per the priorities set, the Angry Birds have the highest priority and it should be drawn at the last in an order. So when I run the application we can see the Angry Birds are drawn in the last. As we can see they are moving ahead on all other sprites. And so here when we see the add method, I am calling this base add to friend in the BaseManager. From here, based on the priority, I am calling add node to the friend or add node to the priority. So in the double link manager, I have implemented this method called add node to priority where I am adding all the nodes based on the priority of each node. And one more other thing is I have implemented this update priority method where I can change the existing priority of an batch by simply calling this method. So I am updating the aliens priority to 500, which has the highest priority and it should be drawn last. So when I run this application we can see the aliens are drawn lastly as those aliens are ahead of other sprites. And finally, last but not least, I have also implemented this Sprite boxes and SpriteBoxManager, and all of them are linked to the abstract class which is called BaseSprite. And in the Sprite node manager or Sprite node, we are setting up the values based on the Sprite box or sprites. So in the game. So I am linking the sprite boxes to the SpriteBoxManager, but the SpriteBatchManager understands and it draws different heterogeneous sprites on the screen. Thank you so much.